This is a video of the portable generator house that I saw in a lot of hardware stores, and I decided to make one myself. This particular one was about $450 I saw, and I built it probably for about $300, a little bit more, with all the extra bells and whistles that I put on it, including the vents, the exhausts, and so on and so forth. This is about 45 inches by about 35 inches, something like that. I'm not exactly sure. I made this so you can, obviously, as you can see, fully opened up. The two doors and the top opens up. I didn't put any insulation on inside. I wasn't exactly trying to make this quieter as a lot of the videos online. I just merely did this to protect the generator while it's outside. This is a Rigid 8000 I bought from Home Depot. The upper top there is a ventilation fan. I have two 16-inch panels for cross ventilation, and also I converted this a while ago to run on natural gas, propane, and regular gasoline. I have the propane tank in there. I have that hooked up. Sorry for the train. I have that hooked up in the back, and then that goes out to the back for a natural gas line that I have running from my house right over onto the left. If you come over to the side, I have the two vents, and as well as the exhaust vent that I hooked right up to the generator itself. The plug would run all the way down. I just put a weatherproofing plug. There's just a hole back there. There's nothing in there except just just run it through, and then that would go over to the box over there, 30 amp box that's plugged in with the interlock system. There's the fan, so on and so forth. It's easily and the biggest reason I did this is because my generator was all the way down there, and if I needed it, I had to drag it all the way up here. So like I said, I didn't do this for soundproofing reasons. I just did it for convenience of myself. To start this up now, all I would do is come in, turn on the propane, prime the generator, couple seconds, turn on the key, like I said, it's not much less noise, it's just for convenience. That's about it. And there you have it. That's about it.